Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's try this problem right here. This question is asking create a continuous or grouped frequency distribution table. And here we have set of data and each of them representing the marks obtained by the students. Now let's see how we can create. The first thing we have to do is we have to find how many classes we are going to create. So to find that one, what we do is we use this 2k method, 2 power k method. Here what we do is we look at this one, the value given in the top, usually 30 student or whatever the number of things they are giving, and you look at that value and see what power is going to give us greater than this value. Now let's try 2 power 4, that is 16. So that is not greater than 30, right? So we have to move to the next number, 2 power 5, and that is 32, and this value is greater than 30. So this is giving us k is equal to 5, right? So since k is equal to 5, we are going to create 5 classes. Now we have to find the class range. To find the class range, what we do is we look at the minimum number and maximum number. I mean highest number and the lowest number. And here the highest number is going to be 48 and the lowest number is 1, right? Now to find the range, we highest value, let's say HP or H, whatever it is, highest value minus lowest value over the number of classes k, and highest value is 48 minus lowest value is 1 divided by 5, and here you can see 47 over 5, that's giving a decimal value. So this is not a good number to work with. So what we have to do is we have to look at another value where we can put that will give us like full number. So the number above this one that will work well would be 51. 51 minus 1 divided by 5, you will get 50 over 5, that's going to be 10. Now we can create a range, class range, that is going to be 10. Now let's go ahead and create our table. Now let's note this one down, and I'm going to erase this part because we need space. K is equal to 5 and the range is equal to 10. These are the two information needed and others are unnecessary. Now let's get rid of this. Okay, so first thing I'm going to create classes. So the class is going to be marks, and that's class intervals, right? Class intervals, and let's start from 0. So this is going to be 0 to 10. Since the range is 10, we add 0 plus 10, that's going to be 0 to 10. And the second range, since we have 5 classes, we have to put 5 ranges. So this is going to be 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, then 40 to 50. So this is going to be our class range. Now the next important thing we have to consider is this one not included, like the 10 is not included here, not included, right? And for this one 20 is not included. So if you have a 20, that will come in the next one, and if you have 10, that will come in this one, 10 to 20 range. That's another thing you have to be careful about, right? So 20 is not included here, 30 is not included. If you see 30, that comes under 30 to 40. So that's how it goes. So to remind us, let's keep this one as not equal to 10, just to remind, The next one, we are going to create another table that's going to be tally bars. Tally bars is basically you look at the values between this interval and you put bars for that. Now let's go one by one. 39 is in between 30 and 39, so we are going to put a bar right here, right? And 25 here, and 5 is here, and then 33 is here, and then 19 is here, and then 21 is here, and then 12 is here, 48 is here, 13 is here, 21 is here, 9 is here, 1 is here, and 10 is here. This is the part we have to be careful. 10 is not included here. We have to move to the next one. 10 is here, and 8 is here, and then 12 is going to be here, and then 17 is going to be here, 19 is going to be here, 17 is going to be here, 41 is going to be here, and then 40 is going to be here. Again, 14 is not here, is here, right? And then 12 is going to be here, 46 is going to be here, 37 is going to be here, 17 is going to be here, 27 is here, 30 is again, it's in the next one, right? And then 6 is here, 2 is here, 23 is here, and then 19 is going to be here. And that is our Charlie bars column. The next one is frequency. Frequency, that's going to represent number of students. So number of students got marks in between this range, and that can be just calculated just by adding these tallies bars. And here we have 5 plus 1, that's 6, and here that is 11, and here that is 5, and then 4, then 4. So this is our frequency column, and this is how we create grouped frequency distribution table. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.